How to add a song to your Rednote message. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add a song to your Rednote message. First, open the Rednote app. Now tap on the plus button located at the bottom center. This opens the creation screen. Now you can record a new video or you can upload from your gallery. Now once you upload it, you will find the choose music on the top of the editing screen. This opens the Rednote music library. Tap on it. Now tap on library and select the song from here. Now tap the song to preview. Then tap again to apply to your message. Tap and apply. And just like that, your music has been added to your post. And you can also add text, effects or lyrics if supported. Now tap next to add a caption, hashtag and select your privacy settings from here. Now you can make it visible to friends by tapping on visible to friends, and it will be sent as a message to your friends. And that's it. Post it when you are ready and your musical message will be live. And if you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe and let us know what kind of video you'd like in the comments below. Thank you for watching and keep sharing your sound.